I hate when this one thing happens. You have a ton of work on the books and your truck breaks down. And what does that mean? You don't get to make that money. Well, when you partner with Revit Auto, we do one badass thing for you. We give you a loaner vehicle. So we have a loaner fleet right now. We have 3 vehicles. 2 of these just came back and you can see that they're filthy dirty, but we made sure to spit sign the loaner vehicle for the purpose of this video. So when you work with Revit, not only do we come on site to service your vehicle, but if your vehicle is not repairable and you need to keep going because you have so much work and you're just crushing it on the revenue side, we're going to go ahead and bring our tow truck out with a loaner vehicle in the back of it, deliver that vehicle to you, pick your broken one up, bring it back to our facility in Damascus, fix it, and return it to you so you have absolutely zero downtime and can focus 100% on running your business instead of managing your fleet. So if you want to have this great opportunity to work with us, be sure to shoot us an email, give me a call, reach out, and let's see what we can do for your fleet and your business in 2025. I'm Blair with Revit Auto. Thanks for watching this quick video, and as always, happy motoring.